Well, hello there and welcome back to Express.com. Today we are going to be testing out this new compact table saw made by, you guessed it, SawStop with a hot dog weenie, a cooked hot dog weenie. Now, I recently made a video on this saw that gives you a complete walkthrough. I unboxed it, showed you all the bells and whistles, everything it came with. So be sure to check out that video somewhere in the description of this video. Now, this table saw came with a brake cartridge already installed in it and the blade. So all we need to do is plug it in, power it on, and see what happens. Just a tiny little scratch on this hot dog weenie. And as you can see, a little piece of metal right there that came off of the brake cartridge when it made contact and stopped the blade.